Hi, I'm Sakshi. I'm a second year MBBS student at RGK MCH and welcome back to my channel. So I tried touch typing for 23 days, and in this video I will be talking about my whole journey of 23 days of touch typing and the mistakes I committed throughout, how I corrected them, and I will also mention some of the sites that I used to learn and improve my typing speed. So let's get started with the video. So just like anybody else would do, I searched on YouTube about how I can improve my typing speed, and here are the three things that I got. Number one, I have to maintain a good posture. Maintaining a good posture really helps in improving the typing speed. And number two is I have to come back to my initial position of fingers every time I type anything. And this particular method really helped a lot in improving my typing speed. And the third one is I have to work on my muscle memory to increase my typing speed. So after knowing these three things, I created my own routine for typing for 23 days, and I decided that I will type for 1 hour every day, and I divided this time span of 1 hour into two segments of 30 minutes each. And in the first segment I decided that I will work on my muscle memory by typing some random stuffs on Microsoft Word, and in the next 30 minutes I will be testing myself on 10 fast fingers. And here I committed my first mistake. So for the first half I was not learning much. I was just typing random stuffs on Microsoft Word, and it was not helping me much in improving my typing speed because I was typing the same bunch of words every time. I was only memorizing to type few words very fast, and this was not improving my typing speed in general. I decided to type for whole 1 hour on 10 fast fingers only. So this way I was testing myself for the whole 1 hour on 10 fast fingers. It was helping me to improve my speed a bit, but it wasn't that effective. And I realized my second mistake here. So I was looking at my keys while I was typing, and this is not suggested if you want to increase your typing speed. Many people who have a good typing speed, they suggest that if you want to increase your typing speed, you need to type without looking at the keys, because looking at the keys would slow you down. And I decided that I would type without looking at the keys at all, and this really reduced my typing speed. So initially I was getting a score of around 33 or 35 words per minute with an average of around 30 words per minute. But the moment I started typing without looking at the keys even once, my typing speed reduced substantially. It went down to around 19 words per minute, and I was really frustrated. I was sad, but I reminded myself that it will help me in the long run and I have to continue this. So many a times there was an urge to look at the keyboards because that would increase my typing score and that would make me happy, but I constantly reminded myself that this is not going to help me in the long run, and if I learn typing without looking at the keyboard, I will be able to increase my typing speed to a greater extent. And after a few sessions I observed an increase in my typing speed, and it was really encouraging. So here you can see I am constantly looking at my screen without looking at the keyboard even once, and that is the reason why I am using the backspace a lot of time, because I am committing a lot of mistakes. But this eventually helped me, and I was able to increase my typing speed without even looking at the keyboard, and that was really a good success for me. But after typing for about 3 to 4 days, I observed a pattern. So I was typing for a time span of 1 hour straight, and I observed an increase in my typing speed in the initial segment. Then in the middle the speed would either remain same or it would mostly decrease, and in the last segment there would be an increase, and that was mostly because I wanted to push my score a bit before the time ends. So this middle segment was getting kind of wasted because I wasn't improving much in this middle segment. So I decided to chop this time period into two sections of 30 minutes each. Probably by this method I would be able to increase my typing speed better, and I will observe an increase 4 times, 2 in each section. So I did that, and I divided my time span of 1 hour into two sections of 30 minutes each, with a break in the middle of 5 to 10 minutes, and it was really helping me to improve my typing speed. And I was getting an increase of 2 to 3 words per minute every day, and sometimes even 4 or 5 words per minute every day, and it was really helpful. But then I realized one more mistake. What I was doing was that I was actively paying attention to each and every key that I type, and that was reducing my typing speed. So whenever I was talking to somebody while I was typing, I saw an increase in my typing speed. Whenever I was listening to music or was diverting my attention a little bit, I saw an increase in my typing speed. And that was because I was not confident about my muscle memory, and I was paying way too much attention than required on pressing a particular key, and that was really slowing me down. So I decided to listen to audiobooks while I'm typing. If you want, you can also turn on music, or you can listen to music while you're typing, or you can even watch videos while you're typing. So this would divert your attention a little bit, will allow your muscle memory to work rather than actively concentrating on each and every move. So more than 15 days passed, and I was observing an increase in my typing speed, and I was happy. But when I hit 39 and then 40, I got stuck at 40, and for 3 days straight I didn't got any increase in my typing speed. I was stuck at 40. There was not even a single increase in my typing speed, and I was kind of confused what to do. So I decided to change the time when I'm typing. So I used to type in the morning, but then I shifted that to the night time, and after 3 days I observed an increase in my typing speed. So in the first session of 30 minutes I got 42, and in the next session I got 44, and it was so overwhelming. I was very happy that after 3 days I got such a huge increase in my typing speed, around 4 words per minute, which was really large, because usually I used to get 2 or 3 or mostly 1 words per minute increase, but here I got 4 words per minute increase, and I was really happy. So likewise my typing speed was improving. I got 45 words per minute, then 46, and then I got 48 words per minute. That blew my mind. I was so close to 50 words per minute, so I thought the next day I would score 50 words per minute for sure. But that didn't happen. In fact, I didn't get even a single increase in my typing speed. It was really easier for me to go from 30 words per minute to 40 words per minute, but it was very difficult for me to go from 40 words per minute to 50 words per minute. And likewise, the difficulty level will increase the more you increase your typing speed. So like I said, I thought I would get 50 words per minute the next day, but that didn't happen. For 5 days straight I got no increase in my typing speed. My typing speed was stuck at 48, and sometimes I would only get 43 in the whole 1 hour segment, or sometimes 45, sometimes 47 as well, but not 40, not 50. 3 days passed, I got 49. I was kind of happy but not that happy, because I wanted 50 then, and this was kind of frustrating me, because I really thought that I would get 50 very easily, but that was not happening. And for 5 days straight I was working hard, 1 hour, sometimes even more than that, but I was not getting even a single increase. So I thought of going to Keybia.com and increasing my muscle memory a bit and increasing my accuracy. Basically, increasing your accuracy would really help you to increase your typing speed. So in the initial segment of your practice, do focus more on increasing your accuracy rather than increasing your typing speed. Aim at achieving around 90 or more than 90% of accuracy in 10 fast fingers. For learning purpose, you can use Keybia.com. Here they test you at every single key until you get good at that key, and then only you get promoted to another key. So it is a very nice site to increase your muscle memory, and I decided to use this website as well in a hope that maybe my typing speed would increase. But that day also I didn't observe any increase in my typing speed. It got from 48 to 49, but that wasn't what I wanted. I wanted 50. So this was the 23rd day, and I was not expecting anything, because for the past 5 days I was not getting any improvement in my typing speed. So, and I didn't even want to type further, because it was sort of frustrating. I didn't want to type anymore, but since I was committed to myself, I thought, let's do it for the next 7 days, and that would complete my 30 days of typing, and I'll stop. Whether or not I reach 50 words per minute, I will stop there, right there. But then I got 50 words per minute, and I was so overwhelmed. I was so happy that I took the picture and I posted that on my Instagram. And I got a bit greedy, so I thought let's type again and maybe I would get more than 50. But my score reduced and it was around 48 or 47, I don't remember. And I in my head I wanted to get at least 50 back, so that I don't want to end this, because I didn't want to end this at a score less than 50. So I typed again and I got 50, and this time I didn't want to type again because I knew if I type maybe it would increase, maybe it would not. But if it doesn't increase like it's in the mind, if it doesn't increase like it is not good, right? So I didn't want that. So this 50 I got in the first segment of my typing session, that is in the first 30 minutes only. So I didn't type for the next 30 minutes, and I didn't type for the next 7 days as well. So I decided that I will be typing 1 hour every day for 30 days long, but I stopped here only on 23rd days. And the way I rationalized this in my head is that according to the studies, in order to build a good habit, you have to perform that thing consistently for 21 days. And I performed typing for 23 days, like 2 days more than that. So this way I rationalized in my mind that it's okay to stop on 23rd day rather than going to 30 days. And I was pretty much okay with that because I did pass the deadline of 21 days. I would surely be continuing typing because I want to increase my typing speed. Since recently I have been using typing for a lot of things, and I really want to increase my typing speed further. So probably in the future you can expect more typing videos in the channel. Okay, so this is it. If you enjoyed this video or you learned something from this, make sure you hit the like button and share this video with your friends. And if you want to share your journey with me, you can tag me on your Instagram stories or on your Instagram post if you post something about your typing speed or your typing journey. And if you want to share your typing journey, you can do that in the comment section as well. I would love to read them. So yeah, thank you so much for watching and hope to see you in the next one. Bye bye.